of winter. This is the second winter we're working through. You can see the shape of the final project now. The foundations are complete. A lot of the modules are already enclosed, and in spring we'll be ready to commence installation of the main equipment. My name is Mian Khalil. I'm the director of Kazakhstan Projects BV, the projects company that Kazakhstan has put together to execute and deliver their major capital projects. Currently we are working on Bozshakol and Aktogay. We're well advanced with the Bozshakol project. We're almost 50% complete. The main equipment, which are the grinding mills, the 3 grinding mills, are all on site. The main electrical gear is on site. The main transformers, 220 kV transformers, are being installed as we speak and filled with cooling oil. The main electrical E-rooms with all the electrical switchgear on site, so we're well advanced with the project.
Менің есімім Нұрлыбек Шамшадин. Осы Бозшакол кен байыту жобасында атқаратын қызметім қазба жұмыстары мен бетон жұмыстары. Жалпылама былай бетон жұмыстарын алатын болсақ, 90% жұмыс атқарылды. Қазіргі таңда енді ең басты біздің бетондардың ішіндегі ең бастылары алғашқы ұнтақтағыш бетоны, ол 33 метр тереңдікке дейін. Және де бас ғимараттың ішінде орналасатын диірмендеріміз бар, солардың 22 метр биіктіктегі бетон жұмыстары.
On Aktogay, we have changed our execution strategy slightly to optimize it based on our experience in Bozshakol. We are going to increase the local content on the construction side in Aktogay by splitting the work up into smaller packages to allow a number of different national companies to bid on. However, the main sulfide concentrator will be done by an international contractor because the specialty equipment and the complexity of that equipment is something that currently national contractors in Kazakhstan do not have. For the next month, we'll continue with the construction of the permanent camp, as we call it, where operators will stay. The construction for the steel frame of the main truck shop and warehouse is well advanced, and we'll continue with the cladding on that in spite of the weather conditions. To summarize it all, we're well on schedule to complete and commission the project as promised. We're on track.